Presentation of Hivemapper Dashcams. Hivemapper Dashcams provide an innovative solution for contributing to road mapping while rewarding you with tokens called Honey. With a simple installation process and an intuitive user interface, here is how to install and use your Hivemapper Dashcams. Installation and connection steps: downloading the app and setting up the wallet. Download the Hivemapper app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create a wallet to receive your rewards. The recommended wallet is Phantom. Link your Phantom wallet to the Hivemapper app in the settings. Positioning the dashcams: front, install the first dashcam at the front of the vehicle; rear, right, install the second dashcam at the rear right of the vehicle. It is not mandatory to have two, but it improves the rewards. It is also possible to install the cameras outside the vehicle for better image capture. Wi-Fi connection: turn on both dashcams. Note that there is a delay of about 1 minute after turning them on for the cameras to be ready. Each dashcam has 3 LED indicators. GPS connectivity indicator indicates that the camera is connected to the GPS signal. Power indicator shows that the camera is turned on. Image capture indicator indicates that the camera is capturing images. On your smartphone, connect to the Wi-Fi network of the dashcams. Enter the password Hivemapper indicated in the app to establish the connection between your smartphone and the dashcams. Power connection: both dashcams require a connection to a cigarette lighter socket to function correctly. It is important that the cameras are plugged in, the indicators are on, the cameras are properly calibrated, and the windows are clean. Calibration and real-time visualization: once connected, it is crucial to properly calibrate your dashcams to ensure optimal image capture. Camera positioning: ensure the front dashcam is centered and offers a clear view of the road. Verify that the rear dashcam captures a full view without obstruction. Calibration features: line tracing. The app displays 2 guidelines. Ensure these lines are neither below nor above the horizon. The app indicates that the lines should clearly separate the sky and the ground. Square formation: a calibration square appears on the screen. Ensure no part of the car's interior is visible inside the square. Calibration rating: calibration is rated on a scale of 1 to 4. The higher the rating, the better the calibration. A higher rating allows you to receive better rewards. To view your calibration rating, go to the official website hivemapper.com and connect your wallet. At the bottom right of the main page, there is a gear icon. Click on it, then on your automatically assigned name to display your dashboard, where you can see your rewards, kilometers driven, and your rank out of 4. Operation and data transfer: when the app is on and the cameras are activated, your phone acts as a gateway to send the data collected by the cameras. Unlike the current model, the B camera performs this task autonomously. Internal storage: if the phone is not connected, each camera has internal memory that can store about 10 hours of footage. Data visualization: storage information is available on the app. Top left, number of images stored in the camera. Center, images stored on the phone ready to be sent. Top right, images sent. It is crucial that the images are sent for mapping and to receive your rewards. The more images stored in the camera, the longer the transfer will take. Temperature and ventilation: during use, the cameras can get extremely hot, as indicated by a sticker on each device. To prevent overheating, it is recommended to install a fan on each camera. Affordable fans can be found in stores like Action, Electrodepot, and also online. Each camera is equipped with a USB-C port that allows you to connect a fan for better ventilation. Legality and privacy: it is important to print a document specific to your region in case of a police check. This document states the legality of using Hivemapper dashcams and specifies that faces, license plates, and other personal information are automatically blurred by Hivemapper. Contribution to mapping and rewards: Hivemapper dashcams enable precise and detailed road mapping. By using these cameras, you actively contribute to the creation of maps for Hivemapper. In exchange for your participation, you receive tokens called Honey. Rewards are distributed once a week. That's pretty much everything. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. We will respond as soon as possible. Our channel, SoundScapeIA, offers podcasts, stories, tutorials, and music. We also have a leading Facebook group in France specializing in finance, tech, and current events called Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, altcoins, crypto, NFT, financial news, and tech. The link is in the description, and the QR code displayed on the screen allows you to join. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon.